If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
If you are keen to change your workout routine, today's inspiration is all from Bollywood. Hi, I am Sabha Patel and I'm a yoga and Pilates instructor for over a decade now. And today I'm going to do a Sara Ali Khan inspired workout so you too can be on your way to a fitter and sexier body just like her. A kettlebell is a cast iron or a steel ball which is used to perform a lot of exercises which provides a full body workout that builds strength, endurance, balance, agility and cardio. So to begin with, I'm going to show you how to lift the kettlebell. So you're not going to round your back and lift it up because then you're going to really hurt your lower back. You're going to soften your knees and get hold of your kettlebell and straighten up to perform your exercises. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the kettlebell in front of your chest. Keep your shoulders and ribs down. Clench your glutes and abs and start rotating it around your head, making circles. Keep doing this for about 4 to 5 times and then change directions. Always make sure to keep your neck neutral and make sure not to strain your neck. Do 2 sets of 10 to 20 reps a side. This exercise will build rotation, bring stability to your shoulders and strengthen your core. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointed out and knees soft. Make sure to keep your stomach firm and hinge at the hip. Inhale, lock your hands on the kettlebell and exhale as you swing the kettlebell, squeezing your glutes and then let the weight swing between your legs. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This exercise will burn calories, strengthen your back and core. Stand tall with feet about shoulder width apart and toes pointed outwards. Hold the kettlebell stable in front of your chest. Lower down into a squat until your thighs are parallel to the floor. And then as you come up, lift your arms overhead and then get back into the squat position. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This exercise will target your shoulders, abs, calves, glutes and hip flexors. Start with your feet few inches apart and hold the kettlebell around your shoulder with one hand. Lunge forward with the opposite leg. Make sure to keep your knee aligned with your second toe. Now extend the arm with the kettlebell overhead. Return to your standing position while simultaneously returning the kettlebell around your shoulder. Repeat on the other side. If you are new to this, hold the kettlebell at the shoulder rather than extending overhead. Do 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps on each side and gradually build it up. This exercise engages the back, shoulders, arms, legs, core and glutes, which makes it an excellent all-round strengthening exercise. To summarize this amazing versatile workout, if you are a beginner, you start with a 2 kg kettlebell and gradually increase the weight. And as for intermediate and advanced practitioner, you can start with 6 or even 8 kg kettlebell. Always remember to choose a weight that you can work with without losing your form and your stability. So there you go, 4 easy kettlebell exercises that'll help you achieve the body of your dreams. I'm Sabha and I'll see you next time with yet another celebrity workout routine. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.